Good night. And I miss Lisa this. Shelly-Ann.
Yeah, who this?
Yeah, Rochelle this. How are Darmian there?
In their foreign.
In their foreign? So where you there?
Jamaica.
Eh?
They're Jamaica.
You there Jamaica now?
Why you there?
Me there Jamaica, but him get me did there over Florida. Me did over Florida na last month, but him get me pregnant. Me reach back here, me nah get to him block me.
Well, you have to stay at Jamaica with the baby, you know, because me can't help you.
So na Jamaica you there?
And so what me fi do with you?
So na you no can't help me out, Lisa?
Help you, me can't help you, that's your belly.
Miss Lisa, right now me not have no office stay. You could have put me up.
Miss Lisa, Auntie Lisa, Miss Shelly, Auntie Shelly, I don't give a fuck where you want to address me. You get a belly, you stay with the belly. It can't help you. When they say dragon,
but me not have no money for me not have no money. Me not have
dragon, you have dragon.
What dragon?
Well, you have to go to the shop and buy one dragon, get one roasting nail. I teach dragon, put the roasting nail in there and drink it.
Miss, me not let that go work. Miss Shelly-Ann. Miss Shelly, help me please.
Who this?
Miss, you can't help me, Rochelle, you can't help me with someone to stay, please. Help me with someone to stay.
You're crazy, I think you're crazy. You call your man?
Me can't but him block me number. Are you my mother?
Block you too, me dear me, I go block you too.
And I your mother,
What you
miss.
eating tomorrow for dinner?
And I your mother.
Me and your mother, me and baby mother. You want to talk to your mother?
Yeah, baby, but him tell me say your mother, miss.
Alright then, me and mother see now. How him breed though?
When me eat for dinner tomorrow, what you gonna eat, dirty girl? You gonna near my belly, dirty girl. You gonna tell me something for dash on my belly. Big thing, what for the bomb up?
You can't talk about belly. What we do with the belly, miss?
I tell you if you help me get to him and help me with some of his
You're not second. Make sure you're not gonna be the last.
And I first one girl I call about him.
First him I get one pregnant. But you me no one big house me no really care.
So me I can't help me with someone for Patrick. So my brother they have come, me just can't but see
now. Your feet and your crutches. You love you feel I love my mommy?
See yeah, me cheer cuss me yeah. Me chat to her.
I fight me best.
I'm to that so boom, hey girl.
What skin your beast boy?
I'm to that skirmish, man.
I should have man more me and she break from a man. So you come to
So you're man.
Hey, come off of this blood clot.
I'm to the dirty skirmish. Hey, look. Come on, stay on the phone. Wait a minute, oh, them nobody no. No, say them nobody.
Hello?
You know, say, me go send my sister for their things, you know.
Yeah, send your sister.
You see, too, me no beat woman. Me no come in, but me send my sister and to her friend, you know.
When you breathe and the man black him, but who you?
Who is you? Who you?
You are your dirty sister, why slow man, mommy? Who is you? Come on from the
Oh, I'm to skirmish, man.
Come on, from 7 digit. Go find Dermy. What?
Hold on, so Dermy and know your son. Yeah, you go answer this. On love man like a dog. On love man, so. On love man. On love man a fuck. On for toppy.
You know, say, tonight I know for your night, though.
Tonight I know your night, you know.
What you trying?
Dare me or what to you? Can't tell you little girl say your mother, you know.
Me tell you, what one thing first time my mother already. Awa. What more you want?
Son, I know your son.
I'm an auntie.
Hey, your auntie, you know say you want dirty. You know say, yo, John, I'm not. Why you get up to dance, so?
You didn't know your sister want dirty girl.
Oh,
she want like she
oh.
love man more me. She want like she love man more we. Who she?
Who is we?
And me, mixed breed, I don't know what be the father. My man no black me. And my son.
Oh, your son. So you say your crosses. Oh, your son become your man. You're a dirty girl. Boy, your son and your man. Dirty girl. Move them black boy. Yeah, kin out your pum pum. Me no deal with the butt. Me no deal with the butty part, you know. Your man left that to a man them pan the live. Where man them there? Where man them there? Let me see no man in the comments. Your man say G-Nation. Jerk.
Why you say your name again?
A Patrick this, you know.
Patrick?
Yeah.
Why your problem, Patrick?
Yeah, say I kin out your butty. Me I say kin out your pum pum. Me I say your man a waste, man.
Me see Patrick and I'm going to fight him.
Yeah. You know.
Patrick.
I can't get to know you.
You can't get to know me. Your sister brings me, man, I know you want me.
No, fuck that. Them a go deal with that baby girl.
So Patrick, you want to say for me like your sister?
No, but you're not. No, I'm not from. No, but me and you related, baby girl. Come on.
Then your sister related.
Yeah. No, we don't related, baby. Come on. You hear me?
You hear me, I hear you. How are you, Patrick? Patrick, where you draw your bed? And your sister sleep on one bed. Patrick and your sister are dirty people. You are dirty people. Patrick and your sister one like she love man, one blood. Patrick, you draw your bed now, no matter go away.